In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Rainbow Six Siege mic not working. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase plenty of steps that you can follow to address any issues attributed to the game, chat, and your microphone not working in Rainbow Six Siege. So first, let's follow some steps inside of the game. Before you actually start a match, on the main menu, click on the settings icon and go over to options. First, what you have to do is check under General. Make sure that crossplay communication is enabled. This is going to be especially important if you want your microphone to work with someone who is on a different platform than you. So for example, I am playing on PC. If I were to invite some of my Ubisoft friends and they are playing on PlayStation 4 or Xbox, I need the setting to be enabled to be able to hear and talk to them. With this out of the way, let's go over to the General Audio category, and in here we can find the settings attributed to voice chat. The very first thing that you should check is to see if you have an audio input device selected. If you don't see the current microphone that you are trying to use here, then it means that the microphone is not being detected or set up properly by Windows. To fix this, you will have to go over to the Control Panel or the Device Manager. When you open the Device Manager or the Control Panel, as I'm going to show you, you will be able to go over to the Sound Settings and then select the Input or Recording Devices. You need to find your microphone, right-click it, make sure that it is enabled, and as long as that is properly enabled and connected, it should appear here when you restart the game. Make sure that it is selected. You can increase the volume if you wish, and the next thing to check is to see if the input mode is set to anything other than disabled. As the name suggests, if this is set to disable, you will not be able to use the in-game voice chat. So you can either set it to open, while your microphone is always going to be transmitting any noises that it picks up, or push to talk, where it is only going to turn on and transmit noise if you press the specific button that you can set on the controls. Besides this, make sure that the volume is set to the maximum input volume and that the sensitivity is as low as you wish. If you turn the sensitivity to 100, this means that every single noise being transmitted into your mic is going to get filtered out. You have to set it to a low amount, even 0. If you notice that too much background noise is being picked up, such as a fan or sounds from your street, you might want to consider setting this to 30 or even 35. Well, like I said, the higher you go, the more noise will be filtered out. So you will have to get really close to your mic if it is set to a high value. So I like to leave it very low. With all of these settings properly set up and the microphone connected in the Windows Recording Devices settings, you should be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Rainbow Six Siege mic not working. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.